Welcome back to the workshop. This episode, we reach a massive milestone where this rifle comes to life. This week, we are getting a first glimpse at the fruits of our labor. YouTube claims I'm showing you how to create a weapon, and that viewers could watch my videos and create their own firearm. Since you can learn how to do anything from just watching a video, I have done something huge. I've watched a documentary on spaceflight, and now, ladies and gentlemen, I've built my own rocket ship. That's right, we are going to space and conquering the galaxy of all lefty libtard YouTube firearm policies. Alas, we will finally be free to build our guns without being hassled by the man. Alright, that's enough of that. You're here to see gun building, so let's get into that instead. The majority of this episode is pretty self-explanatory, so I won't do a lot of talking. Although, every time I say that, I end up yapping the whole episode. But this one will be different. So anyways, we need to shape behind the grip. This is a super crucial spot. If you cock this up, there's no hope for anything, and it looks stupid as hell. So, be careful. Now that it's been fully inletted, you can see just how much excess material we have. That obviously needs to be removed. Why am I telling you? You've seen a rifle. You know what they're supposed to look like, and it's not that. Quick shout out to my friend Micah for giving me this rasp. He's a farrier, and this rasp is absolutely perfect. You will be seeing a lot of this in all of my videos. Thank you, Micah. Now I'll need to make a stock bushing, because this is miles easier than ordering one from God knows where. Alright, so I've been secretly inletting this thing for like 3 weeks now. I just cut it out of the episodes because it seems to get boring after a little while, and I don't want to bore you guys. But it's finally actually done. And of course, we run into our biggest problem. Yes, a broken stockmaker screw. This is actually the best case scenario though, because we have that much to grab it by. It is finally time. No more ink. Time to put up the chisels, the dye, and the headache. I know I say I like inletting, but that's always before I actually start. Anyways, this is always such a good time. Oh my god, how did that get in there?
Shop beers, Prost, mein Freund. Ein Schluck, ein Lachen, wir sind vereint. Shop beers, das Leben.
Alright, this is a great time to get into the winners of last week's parts game. We had more winners than I have ever seen.
Der Kühlschrank summt, ein froher Ton. Ich greif zur Dose, das ist mein Lohn. Der Laden duftet nach Malz und Korn. Hier wird der Durst des Lebens geboren. Shop Beers, Prost, mein Freund. Ein Schluck, ein Lachen, wir sind vereint. Shop Beers, das Leben so fein. Mit einem Krug voll Glück im Sonnenschein.
Also, yeah, you heard that right. That was the official Shop Beer song. And honestly, I unironically listen to that song now. It's stuck in my head 24/7. This is the last piece of the puzzle, the forearm. We will be fixing that hideous square forearm now. And because I'm building this rifle with a British influence, we'll be adding a nice, shallow taper to a gently sloping forearm tip. One thing I find fascinating is how design varies from country to country. Look at cars, houses, guns, etc. While I'm well aware that different things from different places look different, my question is why? Why does a British car look different than a Japanese car? What are those cultural influences that create difference of thought, engineering, and design? I have some theories, but I want to hear from you guys. Comment below and let me know what you think. There will be a complete overview of our progress later this episode. But last episode, we started on a 416 Remington Magnum. We opened the magazine box to accept our new cartridge. Now that we've done that, we will need to mill out the receiver so the box fits. Imagine putting this down someone's pants. All right, let's give it a test. And good. Not good. All right, now that that's settled, we can finally get a look at how this thing feeds. Jeez. Oh my god. Oh my. Alright, and that's settled. Now let's get a good look at that Mauser stock. A rifle stock is made of lines and angles. Each are meticulously carved so that they work together to be pleasing to the eye. This is what we have been working towards for the past 6 weeks. It's still not done, but for the first time, we see it come to life, and we get a glimpse of what's to come. Last episode, many of you encouraged me to get a Patreon. I have done that, but it's been disabled. I don't know why, but I'm in the process of figuring it out. This is Monday night, August 4th, hoping to have it sorted out by next week. Thanks for watching. See you Tuesday.
Shop Bier, oh Shop Bier.